Have you ever had a great song but no idea how to turn it into a professional-looking music video? Normally, you'd need video editing skills, stock footage, animations, and hours, sometimes even days of work. But what if AI could analyze your music, match every beat automatically, and generate an entire music video in just a few minutes? Today, we're testing Freebeat AI to see if it can really create music videos that are ready for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. Let's find out. Here we break down powerful AI tools into simple steps that help you automate work, think creatively, and get more done faster without confusion daily. Creating engaging music videos has always been one of the biggest challenges for independent artists, content creators, and even marketers. The editing process alone can take hours, and hiring professionals isn't always affordable. That's where Freebeat AI comes in. It's an AI-powered platform designed to transform your music into synchronized videos with AI-generated visuals, animated scenes, and beat-matched effects, all without requiring professional editing experience. Today, I'll walk you through the platform step by step, test its features, and share my honest thoughts at the end. The first thing you'll notice is that Freebeat AI keeps everything simple. After creating an account, you're taken directly to the dashboard where you can start a new project. You have several ways to begin. You can upload your own music file, paste a music link from supported platforms, or use music you've already created elsewhere. Once your song is uploaded, the AI starts analyzing it automatically. It detects the tempo, rhythm, beat structure, and overall mood of the track before generating video suggestions. This process only takes a short time, making it much faster than manually editing a music video from scratch. Even if you've never edited a video before, the interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Now comes the fun part. Once your audio is ready, Freebeat AI starts building a complete video around your music. Instead of randomly placing clips together, the AI attempts to synchronize scene transitions with the rhythm of the song. This helps create a much smoother viewing experience. Depending on the project, you can experiment with different visual styles. For example, you might prefer cinematic scenes, animated visuals, colorful effects, or more stylized artistic looks. Each option gives your project a different feel without requiring manual editing. The goal isn't simply to generate random visuals, it's to create a video that complements the music and keeps viewers engaged. One thing I like is that you're not locked into the AI's first results. After the initial generation, you can customize different parts of your project. For example, you can adjust scenes, regenerate certain sections, experiment with different visual styles, or fine-tune the overall look. Depending on the available tools, you may also be able to change the video's aspect ratio for different platforms. That means you can create horizontal videos for YouTube or vertical versions for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This flexibility saves a lot of time if you're publishing across multiple social media platforms. Instead of editing everything manually, you're simply refining what the AI already created. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to preview everything. I always recommend watching the full video before exporting. This gives you a chance to catch any scenes you'd like to regenerate or adjust. After that, exporting is straightforward. Depending on your subscription and selected settings, you can export your finished project in different resolutions, suitable for online publishing. From there, it's ready to upload to your favorite platform. For creators producing content regularly, reducing editing time like this can make a noticeable difference in their workflow. One thing I appreciate about this platform is that it isn't limited to professional musicians. Independent artists can use it to create music videos without investing in expensive production. Content creators can generate visuals for original music or background tracks. Marketers can build promotional videos around branded audio. Even social media creators who regularly publish short-form content may find it useful for quickly producing visually engaging posts. Of course, like any AI tool, it's still a good idea to review the generated output and make sure it matches your creative vision before publishing. Think of Freebeat AI as a creative assistant that speeds up production rather than replacing your own artistic decisions. After spending time testing Freebeat AI, I think its biggest strength is how much time it can save. Instead of starting with a blank timeline in a traditional editor, you begin with a complete AI-generated draft that you can refine. The interface is easy to learn, the workflow is straightforward, and the automatic synchronization between music and visuals makes the process much faster than building everything manually. Like most AI creative tools, results can vary depending on your input and the style you're aiming for, so it's worth experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your project. If you're looking for complete frame-by-frame creative control, traditional editing software may still be the better choice. But if your goal is to produce music videos more efficiently, Freebeat AI offers an interesting workflow that's worth exploring. Overall, Freebeat AI makes creating music videos much more accessible. Instead of spending hours editing every transition and effect manually, you can use AI to generate a strong starting point and then customize it to fit your vision. Whether you're an artist releasing your next single, a content creator looking to make more engaging videos, or someone curious about the latest AI creative tools, Freebeat AI is definitely worth checking out. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review and want to discover more AI tools that can save you time and improve your creative workflow, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.